What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to take screenshots here in your Windows laptop device. Okay, this is a very simple process. For example, if you're navigating throughout the internet and you found some information useful, you want to save it, you want to take a screenshot so you can get back to it and read that same information in the future or share it with somebody else, I'm gonna be showing you how to do it in today's video. And at the end, as bonus, I'll also show how you can actually record your screen just the way I am recording right now. For example, if you want to share a video tutorial of how to do something or a step-by-step process of what you are actually performing here within your Windows device, I will be showing you in today's video how to get this done. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, without any further delay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. The process of taking a screenshot has been made easier in the latest Windows operating system. Okay, so first things first, let me quickly open up my virtual keyboard so you guys can actually watch all the steps that I'll be doing in here by following me, because my keyboard is not visible, and I'll show you the combination we need to actually press in order to take a screenshot here in our Windows operating system. So first things first, let me quickly open up my Google Chrome. For example, suppose I am reading this news, this article right here, and let's say that I want to take a screenshot, for example, and share it with somebody else on WhatsApp or something like that. So we're going to head all the way to our keyboard, okay, and then we're going to tap here on print screen. Okay, we need to search for this key, the specific key here within our keyboard. Now, the location of the print screen key depends on the keyboard layout and language. In my case, it's located down here at the right inferior corner, but depending on your layout, it might be located somewhere else. So what we're going to be doing next is simply tap here on print screen, and then immediately you'll be able to see the snipping tool opening up in here. Now, we've got in here two options: to take a screenshot or to take a video recording, right? So here at the right, we'll tap also to select exactly how we want to take the screenshot, whether we want to take a specific window or a full screen or free form. If I keep it to window, you just need to select which window. For example, if it's the browser in here, or it's the on-screen keyboard, or any other open app. Okay, for example, let me select the Google Chrome browser. I'm gonna tap once on it, and the screenshot will be taken immediately here, as you can see, of this specific window right here. Now, let me just quickly close this and tap on print screen once again. Here we go, print screen. It's gonna ask me, I can also select full screen. This is the option that I would recommend you guys to use, which will take a full screenshot here of your entire display. Okay, so here we go. We've got our picture here. Let me tap once to open it up. As you can see, it's launching the snipping tool, and here we go. Our image is right here with the screenshot actually already saved. Now in here, you can perform further editings here of the image. Let me just quickly maximize the size of it. Let me minimize my on-screen keyboard. And then over here, for example, if you want to crop something, you can tap on the crop icon, and then you can crop a specific information that you wish to actually take a screenshot of. Okay, for example, let's keep it this way. Next up, tap here on done, and the screenshot will be saved here. Okay, you can also highlight a few, for example, words. Let's go with the red color. For example, if you want to highlight position, simply use your cursor to underline that specific word. Or you can also, for example, create a circle here. Depending on your ability to draw a proper shape, you can actually highlight a specific word with the pen tool as well. Now let me quickly close snipping tool. If you have a much older operating system which doesn't have the snipping tool, the process is quite similar. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is simply tap on print screen, and then as soon as you tap on print screen, for example, let me quickly close this. Okay, we're going to open up Paint. Okay, we're going to open up Paint application. Okay, it comes as an inbuilt app here installed to your operating system. Now, once you're here inside Paint, you're gonna select Paint. Okay, let me open it up. You're gonna simply hold Control in your keyboard and tap on V to paste it. Okay, so you want to press this combination in here, you want to hold it, and this will immediately paste the entire screenshot that you've took here in Paint. Okay, and once this is done, you can also perform further editings in here by using crop. If you want to crop something, I find Paint much user-friendly, it's easier to use. You can crop it and then you can tweak a lot more your image in here. You also have here a few shapes that you can add with custom colors. For example, president can be highlighted in here and a lot more. Let me quickly undo this just to show it to you guys. Next up, once you're done with the tweaks, tap on File, Save As, and then select the picture format such as PNG or JPEG, for example. Select the destination file, whether if it's pictures or desktop, and then simply name it as screenshot or something else. Tap on save, and that specific screenshot will be saved to your desktop right here. Okay, as you can see, here we go, screenshot right here. So this second method is actually a method that you can use if you have an old operating system which doesn't support the snipping tool app. Now let's go back to our desktop, and now I'll be showing you how you can actually screen record here in your Windows operating system. In order for us to screen record, let's simply tap on print screen, which is the same method we've been using, and then once we have the snipping app opening up, we'll tap here on video, right? Tap on video and then simply select here the portion that you want to video record. Okay, so in video it's compulsory, you need to select the area and then tap on start. The record process will start automatically. You can also give rights to snipping tool to use your microphone so your voice gets recorded as soon as you start recording here, so you can actually share the video with every single step. Okay, so hello guys, I'm recording my video in here. I'm hopping into Google Chrome, I'm reading the specific article right here, and I'm done. Let me now simply minimize this and tap here on pause and then stop recording, right? So once I'm done, the video will be saved into my Windows operating system and snipping will open it ASAP. So over here, you'll be able to actually see the entire screen recording, and you can actually save the video, for example, here at the top right corner at any location here in your computer, okay? So this is a useful way of recording your Windows operating system with the snipping app. Now, if you do not have the snipping app, for example, if you have a much older operating system, I would recommend you guys to download the software which is known as OBS Studio. This is a free software that you can download. This is the website, obsproject.com. It's a third-party software that allows you to record your entire screen. This is a much complex software and it's open source, but it's 100% free and it's really solid when it comes to recording your screen here in your Windows operating system. I hope this video really helped you. If you find my content useful here on YouTube, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and I'll make sure I reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.